I got a 2003 Accord here. I got to do an alternator. These things are ridiculously easy. The book time on it's only an hour. They're super easy to do. So yeah, I'm just going to dive right into it. First thing you want to do is disconnect your negative terminal. Don't forget that. And then, let's see, over here, oh yeah, you can see that. There's a tensioner, 14 millimeter. Unload that bad boy, just like that. Ooh. You want to get this belt off of here. I'll take it off the alternator. Come on. There it is. Now what I like to do is keep everything on here. I do that by putting a bungee cord on here. I'll just bungee it to something. Oh. And don't do that. There. That'll keep it out of the way, and it'll be easier for me to put it back on. That's pretty nice. Okay, unplug this connector. And there's one back here. There's a positive plug. Should be a 10 millimeter behind there. Gonna get that out of the way. Get that nut off. Yep. A little plastic clip here holding this on. You just push both sides and comes right out like that. Okay, looks like 312 millimeters. There's two down underneath. One right there. Oh. Probably easiest to do the bottom ones first. Why? Because they're the hardest to get at. You loosen up the top one, you won't be able to get these out by hand. Well, you might be able to, but probably won't be as easy. Two. Three. Just hold on to the alternator and there, it's out. Well, it's unbolted. It's not out. See if I can get this out without taking this line off of here. Come on, baby. There it is. I never tested the other one either. I just towed it in here and I'm guessing. Something you never want to do. Try not to break any plastic. That's all the advice I can give you. There it is. This I like to fold this backwards, fold it inside out on itself. That way you're not going to fight with the dang thing. Remove bungee cord. This guy could really use a belt too. Oh shit. Drop my wrench. Yeah, there it is. Just want to take a look with a flashlight, make sure that belt's all lined up. And it is. Put the negative terminal back on. This battery's completely dead. I don't know if it's going to start. I'm going to try. Check my voltage. $14.25, that's good. Okay, done.